You are able to see my screen and you are able to hear me, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So in last session, we discussed about that order management, right? Order management and what are the roles are required for the order setups. Okay, these all are the roles. Okay, what are the pricing related roles are provided for this price administrator and price analysis, and the setups required for the customer related order types and price strategy and pricing segments. Okay. Okay, let's do for this price segment. Price segment is already created. Okay,
Yes, sir.
where this price segment is comes. Let's go to the order management. We created one customer, right?
Yes, sir.
Is not a customer. Up to now, we don't have a price segment and price strategy, right? Let's defining this. So where we need to define this? From price administration. These all are the major setups. Other than that, all are the process flows. Let's go to the price administration. So we already created one Tata price list, right? Under this Tata price list, we created our items. We are provided item. What is that item? Some item is provided here. Let's again Tata mobiles, right? What is the price of 999? Okay. So segment is already created. Tata segment, where it is a manage price segment. What is our segment? So up to now, we don't have any segments. ID was not found. Let's delete this. Nothing is there here. Some ID is missing. Let's cancel this. Or the price segment. Not found. Let's segment anyway. We can provide the segment, not an issue. Already it is created. Let's Tata price strategy. Okay, Tata price strategy. Whatever the Tata products are there under this price strategy, the Tata product prices will comes into the pricing strategy. And the default currency is US1 and the start date is giving the fast date for system safety purpose. Let's save and edit. Save and edit. Allow the price list to override. Allow the currency override. These two checkboxes are the important to overriding the price and as well as the currency. Okay. So what is our segment? What is our segment? Already Tata segment we created price list. So let's provide the price list from here. See what happened? We created a price list and we associated that price list to pricing
Strategy.
Okay. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. So then only it comes. Let's save and close. Click on done. Then what we need to do is last manage price strategy assignments. So price segment is created and price strategy is created, but we are not associated both, right? Let's associate the both.
Okay.
So click on sales. This is the sales order related header. Click on here. So what is our segment? Tata, right?
Yes.
Tata. Oh, segment is not created yet. Uh, 1 minute. Let's cancel this. First need to define the segment. Let's go to setup and maintenance. Go to the order management from here. So where we need to set up this segment from the
Pricing.
pricings. Click on pricings. Or if it is there pricing, or else it is there in the orders. Orders, lookups. Order
Lookups.
lookups. So under order lookups, there is a lot of lookups are there. Let's find out that where it is there. What is this price segment? Let's search with segment. Search with percentage segment. Or else price. Types, adjustment types are there. Let's go to the profiles. It is there in the order lookups only. Let's search with the price. Nothing is there. So order types are created from here. I'll see for that. Okay, let's do on the price segment. Things are missing over here. What we'll do is,
You can create it, sir.
yeah, it is created, right? Data price strategy is there. Okay. No, here, see, some issue is there here. We are unable to manage price segment ID, some rule, something is missing technically. So what we need to do is we will take one seeded one. Okay. Nothing will be there. Take one seeded one. Seeded one means it is already there, which is already there. So I'll take one corporate price segment. Corporate, this one. Okay. And what is our pricing strategy? Tata, right?
Tata.
This is the pricing condition. This Tata, why it is not comes? So it is not created due to some data segment issue. Yeah, now it is coming. Add this. And what is our price segment? Tata. Its Tata is not created up to now. Price segment. Let's do one thing. Yeah, already. Yeah, take a corporate one. This one. Save. So after that, let's go to here. Sales. Corporate segment. And the pricing strategies Tata. It is not comes out of pricing. Go to the price list. Once. Data price list and associated to maybe this will take some issue when there is some internal application issues. Even price segment is not there. Let's do one thing. So our Tata pricing also provide this Tata pricing strategy. 1 minute. There is our price list. This one, right? Go to the references. Okay. The same way, go to the strategy. This is the strategy. See, sometimes this is very tricky to work on this. Let's do one thing. Okay. What do we need to do? Pricing rules. Under this pricing rules, what is our pricing strategy? Data, right? Let's provide this data. Save and close. What is the oh, it is still in the in process. Okay, let's approve this first. It is still in the process. Why it is still in the in process? This list is approved. Go to the access set. It's already provided. Common set is provided. The reference also, yes. Now you can verify this. So it is comes into our price list. Yes, say and close. Go to the order management. Cancel this. Okay. What is the customer name? Tata, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Now you can see corporate segment 1, corporate segment 2. Tata pricing is provided to which strategy? Corporate segment strategy, right? So this is provided to corporate segment strategy. So it will comes over here. What is our item? Tata mobile. Let's this item pricing is not comes over here. That's what is our pricing strategy. 1 minute. What is the pricing strategy? Okay. Oh, this is shop list. Coming to here. Okay, now let's do cancel one more time. Create it. Data. Customer. This bill to account is not comes to here. So maybe Tata ERP or Tata Mobiles. Tata Mobiles. Okay. So now this pricing is not comes. Let's do one thing. Okay. We'll take one seeded custom. Computer service rentals. Okay. Let's do one thing first. Okay. We need to create one sales order. Okay.
Yes.
Do first we need to add a item over here. Once we add the item, see here in stock, it comes as a in stock. What is the price of this? 300. Let's add this. Okay. What is the pricing strategy? Same. Whatever the pricing strategy we provided, it is follows same. Okay. If you want to override the pricing, see for example, in sales, they are providing the discount, right? If you provide the discount here, add adjustment, 1 minute. Click on here, 10%, 10% discount. What is the reason? Sales negotiation. What happened? If it is 10%, see 30
-30.
minus 30 will be calculated. Now, our price
270.
is as a percentage. If you want to see this, you can view this. Yeah, click on here. Okay, see the price list is 300, list price is this, and discount is this. How to add the discounts? Here. Here is the place we can add that. Let's coming to here. In general, supply, in supply, we no need to provide because this is a GOP rules are there. So automatically the warehouse and supplier, whatever the triggering is there, it is automatically associated. In the billing level, you can see billing related from which location we need to bill that. Say, for example, Abhishek is buying some mobile from the Amazon. Okay, what is the billing location? Your home is the billing location, right? Same.
Yes.
Who is the contact number? The contact is the person who is buying for the material. Okay, coming to the billing related, this sales credits. Sales credit means, see, for example, you are getting the best mobile Amazon link from your friend. Your friend is referring for that, right? So you are entered some code for your friend reference code. You are getting some 100 rupees or 200 rupees discount. So
Discount.
that's we call it as a sales credits. We call it as a sales credits.
Sales.
Okay. See, once it is completed, let's validate this. Okay. Let's validate this. This is O2C. We call it as a O2C. In P2P, we call it as a okay, no errors. Let's submit. Once it is submitted, orchestration process will be comes into the picture. Like sales order is created and sales order is processing, shipping is processing, those type of things. So what is the sales order? This one. Sales order number is this one. Okay. This one. Okay. Now you can see. So sales order is created, right? You order some booking from the Amazon. How you can track that? How you can track that? You log into the Amazon application and you can see the where the order is there, right? It
Yes,
is
sir.
in the shipping status or it is there in the picking status where we can see from action, see that switch fulfillment view. See that switch fulfillment view. From the fulfillment view, you can see some orchestration number. This is the orchestration number. This is the orchestration process. Based on this orchestration number, we are tracking this sales order, where it is there exactly. Okay, status is not started yet. You can see it is still in the processing. Now you can see schedule is there. Reserve. Once schedule is completed, the material is reserved into the inventory. Once it is reserved, then we will ship the material. After shipping, we will create a invoice. This is what the orchestration process. Now schedule is completed. Now what happened? See, reservation is going to create. System is automatically create the reservation. See, you are booking some iPhone or something, right? There is only one stock. What happened? If you booked immediately, so the system is automatically reserve that material for your sales order, right? Same. Once only one iPhone is left into the Amazon, what happened? You are booking that. Then if your friend is needs to book same, there is out of stock. Reserved also completed. So reservation also completed. Now, so what is that? Next step,
Shipping.
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 So where we need to ship this material and which organization is going to shipping this material, that we need to see from here. Okay. Where we need to see that? See, warehouse is Atlanta. Atlanta is which number? 002.
002.
Here you can see that. Let's go to the fulfillment lines. From here, you can see warehouse is 00.
002.
Did anywhere we are provided this warehouse for time of sales order creation?
No, sir.
No. How it is picking? Based on the global order promising rules. Based on the global order promising. That the next classes we are going to explaining that. Okay. Now what we need to do is, let's log in with warehouse, this Atlanta, and ship the material. Okay. What is the sales order? This one, right? Let's go to the supply chain execution. What is the supply chain execution? Inventory management. Under inventory, what is the inventory organization?
001.
002. Right?
Atlanta.
That's. If you see that 002, what happened? Awaiting for shipment lines. It is awaiting for shipping, right? See, awaiting for pick release. Click on this. Click on this. So it is awaiting for pick release. The material is identified where the material is there. Right. Now the system
Yes.
is awaiting for pick release. See, what is our sales order? 98436, right? 98436.
6.
Okay. Now, what we need to do is, click on here, confirm pick release. Here you can see pick release. This is awaiting for pick release, right? Let's click on pick release. What happened? So pick release is completed. So where we can see this pick release is completed or not? If you go to tools, so there is a lot of schedule processes are going on back end. Okay. Go to the tools, go to the schedule processes. From here you can see pick release document, right?
Yes, sir.
Say pick wave is already completed. Okay. Now pick release document is going to generate.
Ready.
Yeah. Now print pick slip report is also automatically triggered. Print pick slip report. That means it is created pick slip number. So if you want to see that pick slip number, click on this. Okay. Let's verify that what is the pick slip number. So under this pick slip, go to the PDF. So what is the pick slip number? This one. Okay. So pick wave number is this. Item is customer is this. See this type of paper will comes our order, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, same way. Okay, this is the pick slip number. Now what happened? Pick slip is happens. Say pick slip is happened, right? Now what we need to do is we need to confirm that pick, right? So some inventory executive is picking the material, but who needs to confirm that? So awaiting ship confirmation. Already picking is already completed. Now, now see the shipment. Now this order is ready to ship your location. Your location means customer location. So what we need to do is click on ship confirmation. Once it is completed, shipment is closed. That means customer is received the material. See, let's click on here. Go to the shipments. Under shipment, manage shipments. Search with shipment number. What is the shipment number? This one, right? Click on
Yes.
that. So now what is the status of shipment? You can see here itself. See what is the status of shipment?
Closed.
It is already closed. That means this customer is ready to receive the material from which warehouse? 002. 002 is already shipped the material to this customer. Right.
Yes.
So once this customer is received the material, what we need to do is we need to create an invoice, right? How the payment will comes only by the invoice, right?
Yes.
So let's do, now you can see the orchestration. And same way, once the shipment is completed, you can see a lot of documents are generated here. See, print bill of lading report is created. What is the print bill of lading report? It is agreement between the shipping, transport shipping agencies are there, right?
Yes.
Okay, some transport e-cart or something. Okay, that's agreement between the transport shipping agencies and organization. So if material is damaged, who is the responsibility about that? Okay, that type of
Agency is responsible.
you can see that report, how it is there. What is the shipping agency? You want to see that? See, what is the shipping method? DHL, next day air. It is air flight
Flight.
shipping. Right. Who is the shipper? Atlanta.
Ranta.
Okay. And consignment full address. This is for customer address. Okay. What is the item? What is the weight? All this will comes into the bill of lading report. Okay. Then send shipment advice. Send shipment advice. What is that means? So at the time of receiving the material, before one day, you are getting some notification, right? Your order is more shipped to delivery location. Your order is ready to deliver. That's a send shipment advice to customer. This is the shipment advice. This is just a processing. So we cannot take any printout, only notification like attach shipment documents to shipment. It is also attachments. Okay. Now what we need to do is, if you see this orchestration, what is the now sales order status? Shipment is already completed, right?
Yes.
It is already shipped. See, it is already
Invoice.
shipped. Now, this sales order is awaiting for billing. Asset management is automatically calculated. That's a costing related. Once it is comes into the invoice level, so the invoice is like awaiting for billing. Once asset management is completed, then it is awaiting for billing. Let's refresh it. Now, asset management is started. So now the inventory, asset management means in the inventory level, the calculation will comes. How much material is there? What is the material status? All these things. Right. Say, for example, you are running for a shop. Today you are selling for 10 products. Then you are calculated for how much material is there, right?
Yes, sir.
You are calculated or not?
Yes, yes.
You are calculated. For example, each mobile is a 10,000. Only there is 10 mobiles are selling out today. There is 15 mobiles are there. How much asset value?
5.
No, 15,000, right? 15 mobiles are there, 10,000 each mobile.
1,50,000.
Yes, sometimes you are discussing like that. No, in the shop we have a 1,50,000 material is there. No, we need to take care about that. Those type of things you are discussing, right, in the real time.
Yes, sir.
That's the asset management. Now invoice is going to start. Okay, there is a one program for this invoice. Okay, what is that program? Auto import invoice. Auto import invoice. Import auto invoice. Import auto invoice.
Invoice.
So here, this is a finance one. Finance will take care about that. We are not doing anything. What is the business unit?
US one.
Yes, sir.
Unit. What is the transaction? This is distributed order orchestration, where we can see this distributed order orchestration from the fulfillment lines itself. You can see this is DOV, distributed order orchestration. What is the transaction type is not required. And what is the sales order number? This one, right?
Yes.
Okay. That's click on submit. Now, for this amount, what is the amount? What is the amount of this? Yeah. It is there. I'm going to click on here again. The total amount is 294.98, right? Now the invoice is
Yes.
created automatically, 294.98.
88.
Now invoice. Import auto invoice execution report is completed. Now you can verify invoice. Now you can see what is the invoice amount, 294.98, right? Created. Okay. This is how the invoice report is generated from sales order. This is what complete O2C order to cash. Okay, if you see this, now what is the status of order is closed. What is the status of order?
Closed.
Closed. That means sales order is billed. See, this is after that. So we have a one more program that I think that's not required. We just, so once the payment is received from the customer, we need to provide the receipt, right? Shall we provide the receipt or not?
Yes, yes, sir.
Yeah, obviously we'll provide the receipt, right?
Yes.
Count receivables. Where it is there? Click on here, create receipt. Create receipt. What is the business unit? Yes, one business unit. What is the amount? What is the total amount?
294.98.
94. Yeah, 294.98. 4.98. Okay. Then after that, so what are the things? Receipt method. Receipt method is, are you are receiving with a check or you are receiving for the credit card? If you are receiving for the credit card, then what is the credit card details? This one. Okay. And after that, just add and open the receivables. So sales order. What is the sales order number? We already created one invoice, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, let's search with that invoice. Yeah, this one, right? Just click on add. So automatically remaining things will be comes. Okay. Just
Yes, sir.
submit this. Receipt number 12345. Submit. Application error receipt created. Okay, created, but there is some error. Let's click on save and flush. So what is the receipt number? Click on here, manage receipts. Click on that. What is the receipt number? 12345, right? Click on search. See, where is our this one, right? 294. So
Yes, sir.
receipt is created. So receipt is created. If you want to click on this, click on this. You can see complete details. Clear? So
Yes,
this
sir.
is what complete O2C related transaction process. Okay. What we need to do is tomorrow we can do for the some different types of transactions. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Sir,
Any doubts?
sir, the access